guys, my name is Eliza. Welcome to Kia of Everett, the home of the simple, easy fun. I'm here today, I'm actually super excited to share this with you. We're going in depth with the biometric connectivity of the EV9. And today I'm going to be showing the GT line. Follow me, let's take a look. All right, so first we're gonna start off by getting you guys set up with your brand new vehicle. We're gonna go to the driver one profile. And your seat might change a little bit. And the first step is you're gonna go under profile settings and you want to select name, change your name, obviously. You can put a nickname or just your real name, whichever you prefer. Then you get an option to choose the profile image, which would be the next step. And you've got multiple profile images here that you can choose from. And then we go into my favorite thing, the biometric fingerprint scanner. So the cool thing about this is you first initially set it up with a 4-digit password key, and then you go into fingerprint identification, and we want to set the fingerprint. Of course, I got to enter my password first. Consent and settings, and then you just follow the directions from there. So now it's asking me to place my finger on the fingerprint sensor. It's gonna ask me to lift it, and then we wanna do the center of the fingerprint. Now your fingerprint has been set up. Now you can use the biometric fingerprint scanner to log into your profile or use it as a secondary key. So many of you know that EV batteries are actually affected by cold weather. So the cool thing about the EV9 is it comes with a preconditioning mode, which is actually a heat pump for the battery. It allows the battery to keep warm during the winter time, and it gives you better efficiency when it comes to charging. So I drive the EV6, and one of the cool things is when I put a DC fast charger in my navigation while having battery conditioning mode on, it preheats that battery as I'm traveling to that charge station. So when I plug in, instead of it starting at 0 kilowatts, it's gonna jump all the way up to 50 and then straight to 75 where I need it to be. All right, let me show you guys how to set up the battery conditioning mode. First off, I'm gonna hit setup. I'm gonna go to EV, and it comes right up. It's one of the first options there, and it's actually super easy. All you do is hit activate. So now your battery conditioning mode is on. Now you're probably wondering, hey, where's a public charge station? Good news is the car will literally tell you. Just go back to your home page here, and first tile on your page here is your maps. You're gonna click the search charge button icon here, and the car will tell you where every charge station is, from fast charge station to even the slower charge stations as well. Okay, so I'm going to explain Remote Smart Parking Assist number 2. This is one of my most favorite features, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So Remote Smart Parking Assist 2, it's an upgraded version from one that the EV6 has. Now, Remote Smart Parking Assist will let you park the vehicle by itself. You can be inside the vehicle, or you could do it from outside the vehicle using the smart key. Now, it parks it perpendicular, parallel, and diagonal, versus the EV6 is only perpendicular and parallel. All right, first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna press and hold the camera button, and then the screen changes to this screen. Now, it's gonna want us to drive forward slowly, but keeping closer to the side on which you want to park. So not too close, because you don't wanna hit these cars, but you wanna kind of pass the parking spot. Oh, see, it detected it. And it's gonna ask you, do you want a parallel park or do you want a perpendicular park? Well, we want a perpendicular park. So you select that icon. Now, the next question they're gonna ask you is if you wanna stay inside the vehicle and have it park itself, or would you like to get out of the vehicle and use the smart key to park it? In this case, we're gonna use the smart key to park it. Next, you wanna shift to P, and then you just leave the vehicle and watch the magic happen. Now you notice it's probably too close to the wall, right? Give it a second, it's gonna correct itself. Now this is probably one of the first times we actually tested Remote Smart Parking Assist on this guy. It does have machine learning, so after a couple of times, it actually will park itself once without having to correct itself. Okay guys, so that's it for today with the in-depth walk around of the biometric connectivity of the EV9. Now, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to comment your most favorite feature about the EV9 down below. I am excited to hear your guys' answers.